As we work our way through the rest of the evening hours. 43 degrees right now in Pewaukee. Check out the flags there at Waukesha County Technical College. Easy for me to say. Looks like people are just rolling in here. We got students. We must have a lot of classes going on tonight. The good thing is it's dry. It's just really windy. It's not cold. It's 45 degrees in Sheboygan. You see the flag here. This looking from our camera located at Blue Harbor Resort. Wind advisory until 6. The wind isn't going to magically disappear, but it is not going to be as strong. Notice where it is really strong right now. Milwaukee, back down through Racine and Kenosha. Then it is not as bad when you work your way out to the west. It's still going to be rather gusty, though, as we head throughout the night and into tomorrow morning as well. Temperatures, 47 Racine, 48 degrees in Kenosha. How about these temperatures, by the way? This is toasty compared to 1 week ago. Do you remember what the high was? One degree. So we're 44 degrees warmer than 1 week ago. That's a pretty substantial amount. Westerly winds tonight, 15 to 30. After this next couple of hours, it'll die down some. Westerly winds 10 to 20 with some higher gusts again for tomorrow, especially in the morning. Winds die down later in the day. Southwesterly winds on Thursday. It will get gusty again. So it's a really windy week. It'd be nice to get some quieter weather around here. Not really going to be quiet as we work our way into Thursday night and Friday. Could see some precip. There's still a lot of questions on where this is going to end up. We're kind of on the northern fringe of a bigger system that's down to the south, and then we're kind of on the southern fringe of a system that's going to be up to the north of us. So we might end up in that middle area where we've been for a good portion of this winter. There's a ton of uncertainty with these two different systems. So stick with us as we work our way through the next day or so. We should have a lot more information. Again, though, at this point, looks like we might end up getting mist on both of those systems, so we'll wait and see. We need rain and snow around here. Oh, that's beautiful. 45 degrees. Sunset, by the way, 5 o'clock tonight. First time that's happened in a while, and we get 278 days in a row at 5 o'clock and later sunsets. Still breezy tomorrow. Some sun out there. A slight chance of a shower late on Thursday, especially into Thursday night. Then you look at this and you're like, oh my gosh, it looks terrible Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These are light rain and snow chances, not all day rain and snows. So don't cancel your plans. We'll fine tune that timing as we get a touch closer to this. Right now, there's still a lot of questions on where those two